morning. I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, and you're listening to Earthcast, SOS.com. Across North America, farmers plant 100 million acres with seeds coated with deadly neonicotinoids, or Neonics. Not only do the bees lose their minds, but they also shake to death, eerily like a human, getting full-strength Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases all at once. Researchers from Canada recently found that neonics wreak havoc with sparrows and many other songbirds, migrating songbirds. They too lose their minds and 20% of their body weight. This obviously translates into reducing their ability to survive. If that weren't bad enough, the climate in crisis has plants flowering weeks early. This is altering the timing of insects. Some birds are arriving too late to feed on insect blooms. Some other birds, like the western bird species, some species are confused and they're actually arriving too early to their habitat, their northern breeding habitat, and this ultimately is affecting their ability to reproduce. North America is missing, ladies and gentlemen, 1.5 billion birds. We need the birds because the birds are insectivores and they're seed dispersers, and some birds are even pollinators. It's a no-brainer. Ban neonics. Follow the European Union lead. Hello. Sadly, the U.S. House just passed a new farm bill greenlighting more chems and assaults on our water and wildlife. Orcas, frogs, birds, and hundreds of other species are now fast-tracked to extinction. We must not go quietly into this hideous, impoverished future. Hashtag fight for the planet. Hashtag save nature now. Hashtag love is the solution. Hashtag love nature. Earthcast SOS depends upon you, the listeners, so don't be bashful. Come on to drreese.com, DRREESE.com, and click on that donate button. And while you're there, pick yourself up any number of splendid books on bees, trees, seas, wild weather, life, the wonder of it all, and save nature now. Just do it. drreese.com. I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, reminding you to protect our planet.